Guys, so now I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious chicken stew. Okay, this ingredient that we're gonna be using in our chicken stew, we got potatoes and the tomatoes. This is a chicken which I already cut in cubes, and then here we got our mushrooms, 200 gram, which I already cut also. This is oil, ginger garlic paste. These are spices that I'm gonna be using, and I've got here salt. These peppers which I'm gonna be using as well, and here I've got my chicken stock, and this is fresh coriander which I'm gonna use for garnish, and I've got my onion as well. So first I'm going to be blending onion and tomato into a paste. Okay, now that I'm done blending, I'm going to set aside for later, and I'm going to heat the pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my chicken. Okay, now I'm going to add some salt, about 1 teaspoon, and ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to fry the chicken for about 5 minutes, or until you see the color has changed. Okay, now as you can see, the color has changed. It's after 5 minutes. I'm going to add the paste, and I'm gonna add also the spices. So guys, for spices, you can use any spice that you have in your kitchen, but if you in South Africa, this is it's everywhere. Like, you can get it in Checkers, Pick and Pay. So try this combination. It's so delicious, you guys. The aroma, it's insane. I'm telling you, you try this one. This combination is really good. So I fried for about 10 minutes to just finish the excess water which was in the paste. So as you can see, just oil left. I put potatoes, and look how beautiful is that. I'm gonna just add about 1 cup of water and cook in high flame for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna just boil it for 5 minutes in high flame. Okay guys, so it's been boiling for 5 minutes now, and I'm going to just give a good stir just to bring everything together, and I'm going to add my mushrooms, and also my red pepper, green pepper, and yellow pepper, and then I'm going to mix it well. And lastly, I'm going to add my chicken stock. I'm going to just break in small pieces, and just throw it in there. So I'm going to just cover, and I'm going to slow the flame and let it simmer for about 10 minutes in very low flame, guys, so that potato can be soft. So it's already after 10 minutes. Look how beautiful it is. So now I'm gonna just garnish with the fresh coriander, and it's ready to serve. You can serve with roti, chapati, or you can serve with rice or mogali, which is pap. We are calling pap. It's really delicious, you guys. So if you did like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a nice thumbs up, share, and comment down below, and share your ideas. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.